A land of sweeping landscapes. Diverse cultures. Ancient sites. And bustling cities. Having the blistering expanse of the Cholistan desert on its southern edge, Punjab stretches all the way to the foothills of the Himalayas to its north. The hotspots of Murree and Bhurband serve as traditional hill stations, servicing tourists year-round. Whereas Fort Monroe in the Suleiman Mountains in Dera Ghazi Khan is the only hill station in South Punjab to have snowfall every few years. One can find a number of nature reserves spread throughout the province. They are nestled in awe-inspiring locations with an abundance of natural lakes, springs, canyons, with easy access and tourist-friendly activities. Home to more than half of the country's population, the country's wealthiest and greenest province is the scene of centuries of cultural invasions that have left behind must-see monuments. These include UNESCO World Heritage Sites, well-preserved, exquisitely tiled structures with dazzling mirror mosaics and delicate lattice work pay tribute to the province's rich architectural history. In Punjab, one can also experience the historical heritage of one of the oldest civilizations of the world. The province also houses a rich collection of mosques, Sufi shrines, Sikh gurdwaras, Hindu temples, and Christian places of worship. Religious festivals covering multiple faiths are organized throughout the year. Everyone you meet in Punjab is balm to the soul. Warm-hearted, jolly, and politely curious about the visitors in their midst. Dance is rich and lively. Musical, classical, or folk. Silks, jewelry, ceramics, and woodwork are all of note. Punjab dishes out amazing food, ranging from utterly delicious street food to five-star cuisine. The enigmatic, hospitable destination of Punjab, with its Mughal and pre-Mughal architecture, jewel-like shrines and mosques, desert dunes and farmlands, and ancient towns and cities, awaits to be explored. When will you be there?
Thank you so much. I hope you all are now much familiar with the potential of Punjab as well, and I hope His Excellency also liked the video. Continuing our rundown, we have
मिले